Hi, it's another Kate's hairstyle inspiration. My name is Authentic Mama Coles and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So today I am doing a crochet butterfly locks for my girl, and I wanted to share with you the method that I use. So I start off by braiding the hair I'm doing single braids with her natural hair, her normal hair without any attachment. So I go ahead and do that all over the hair. And this is the end result. This is the first part. So I'll go ahead and start the crochet with the butterfly locks that I got from Amazon. It's really beautiful, soft, and easy to install. It actually came with the crochet pin and it's really beautiful. This is how it looks. So I'll go ahead and show you. I already did some, so just keep watching and just keep watching how I do it. So I go ahead to wrap the hair around the locks or to the last end. I pass a little bit of fire and then rub it between my hands to secure it, because I find out that when I do it like this, it tends to stay longer. It doesn't come off easily. So that is how I do it. But I make sure where I am applying, passing the fire is not to direct to my daughter's hair. So I wrap it way beyond my daughter's hair before I apply the fire, just like right here. This is the end of her normal hair, so I go ahead to wrap it down, very down. This way I am sure I am not passing the fire to her natural hair. So this is the end result. I went ahead to spray some braid spray. I oiled the scalp. I trimmed it a little bit because it was long. I went ahead to apply some mousse and we were done. Thank you for staying with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you. God bless you and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.